Hello students, now I am here to explain about the structure of bacteria. As I have told you yesterday that we are studying here about the prokaryotic cell. Okay, so now this is the example of prokaryotic cell. You have listened yesterday about that prokaryotic cells include bacteria and also cyanobacteria. So this is the complete diagram structure of bacteria. Okay, it means how does bacteria appear in their size and structure. So now we are going to study the component of bacteria or prokaryotic cell. Okay, so now we are going to describe the structure. So first we will explain the outermost covering layer. Okay, so you can see here that the mucilage is present, that is the outermost covering layer in any bacterial cell. Okay, this is the outermost layer, like this one. This is the mucilage. Okay, so mucilage, that is the outermost layer, and that is made up of glycocalyx. Glycocalyx, that is the chemical. Okay, now this is sticky in nature. This will help in attaching with any this will help in phagocytosis and also provide the resistance to the bacteria and also forming the capsule. Okay, क्या होता है ना, बैक्टीरिया की सरफेस पर ये ओवरऑल जो सरफेस होती है बैक्टीरिया की, ये पूरी एक तरह की सरफेस है जिसको हम एक तरह से म्यूसिलेज नेम दे रहे हैं. दिस वन, दिस इज आउटर मोस्ट लेयर, ये कंप्लीट. तो जो पूरी आउटर मोस्ट लेयर है दैट इज द म्यूसिलेज कपलिंग लेयर एंड फॉर्म्ड बाय द ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स केमिकल. ओके, दिस वन, दिस इज द म्यूसिलेज लाइक दिस. तो ये कवरिंग लेयर है. तो ये क्या करती है, एक तरह की कैप्सूल के फॉर्म में होती है, कैप्सूल बना लेती है, और जिसकी वजह से जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं दे विल रिमेन प्रोटेक्ट अगेंस्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक्स. जैसे जनरली क्या होता है ना कि आपने सुना होगा कि जितने भी बैक्टीरियल डिसीज़ होते हैं उनमें एंटीबायोटिक्स यूज़ करते हैं. तो बैक्टीरिया को मारने के लिए अगर हम कोई एंटीबायोटिक यूज़ करते हैं तो वहाँ पर कैप्सूल लेयर क्या करती है, कभी कभी उन बैक्टीरिया को प्रोटेक्ट कर लेती है, उनको प्रोटेक्ट करती है, उनको डिस्ट्रॉय होने से बचाती है, कोई भी केमिकल उन पर असर नहीं करता है. दैट इज ड्यू टू हैविंग दिस म्यूसिलेज लेयर. दिस mucilage layer provide the protection to the bacteria and this will form the capsule. This is the outermost layer. Okay, and next you can see here the other content like the genetic material. So this one you can see here like this. Okay, you can see here this one. This is the complete like this. This is the bacterial structure. Okay, this is the complete bacterial structure. Okay, this is the nucleoid, and remember here that DNA is present in bacteria. This is the genetic material, and that is in the form of circular DNA. This is the circular DNA, and very small units also be present in the bacteria in the form of genetic material, like small unit are like plasmid. Okay, plasmid are smaller circular DNA besides the central circular DNA. So plasmid will also provide the resistance, will also provide the other kind of the characters to the bacteria that will help in sexual conjugation, sexual process, and making the resistance power also. Okay, so the it means you can say that the genetic material present in the form of this, like this one. Okay, this is the genetic material in the form of nucleoid, and you must have to remember that that circular DNA will not be covered by any nuclear membrane, because you have studied that the nuclear bound organelles are absent in any prokaryotic cell. So bacteria, you know, this is the prokaryotic cell. So here the nuclear membrane is absent around the bacteria. यहाँ पर nuclear membrane absent होती है. This is the circular DNA only present in the bacteria. Okay, this is the genetic material. So must have to remember circular DNA is present, and also the plasmid. Plasmid, what are the plasmids? The questions may be here. So plasmid are extra smaller circular DNA besides the central circular DNA. Okay, and the plasmids help in sexual reproduction and also the provide resistance to different kinds of the chemicals. Okay, so this is all about the bacterial genetic material. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is about. Now today we have studied here the one layer, that is outermost layer mucilage, and second one we have studied about the genetic material. Okay, so these two things we have studied about the bacteria. So other components we will study also about the bacteria and on in next turn. Okay, so this is sufficient for today. Thank you.